Ngule, tuliyambale ngule, tuliyambale ngule, olutalo nga luwedde, tuliyambale ngule, tulivimba mu Uganda empya. When the battle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown. We shall wear the victor's crown. We shall wear the victor's crown. When the battle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown in the new Uganda.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
NUP wobo wagize ndabyo nga tulina bungi. Njagala okwebaza muganda wange Nubian Lee nominate nze. Njagala okwebaza Honorable Mpuuga secondinga. Muganda wange Daniel Oroyot. Muganda wange Eddie Sewufu Mutwe ne Nusfa Nakato olwokuntekamu obwesige. Nsonyiwa Nusfa Nakato ne Shifra Lukundu. Mwebale nnyo okunominatinga, mwebale nnyo okuntekamu bwesige mu lwatu. Mbasuubiza nange nti bwe mmaliriza nga ndi unopposed ng'ebula ssaawa tezikyawera na 2 sigenda baswaza. Lazima bwe nagenda okuvuganya kuba president bwa Uganda engule njagireeta. Njagala bebaza mwena era basuubiza tisigenda baswaza. Lazima obuwanguzi tugenda buleeta era President Museveni ali mu buzibu. Mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala ku lwa Katonda n'ensi yange.
We, the liberal democratic minded persons, are going to take over that party and provide it better, mature, policy-oriented leadership. And I think Bobi Wine is a great guy. He has a great name. He has a great brand. He's very inspirational. I will ensure that he's my deputy, even though I will have defeated him in the elections. And I'm going to. That is what I'm going to fight. I'm now a member of that party. I'm not going to accept the politics of anointment. This is not a monarchy. We are criticizing Museveni for establishing a monarchy, and then we go back to NUP and create another monarchy. NRM is saying Museveni has been nominated as a sole candidate. Then NUP also has a sole candidate. ANT has a sole candidate. FDC has a sole candidate. DP has a sole candidate. UPC has a sole candidate. Then that tells you there is a serious problem in this society, and people like me must stand up and change. It is easier, by the way, to win over and capture NUP than capture NRM. Ideally, my party would have been either anti of Muntu or NRM of Museveni, because I have many sympathies with NRM. I am, even though a strong critic of Museveni, I'm also an admirer of the man because I think he has achieved a lot. So we want NUP to be a new kind of political party to avoid the mistakes of the past, of division, of intrigue, of blackmail, of subterfuge, of lies and falsehoods, of manipulation. We need a party that is honest, a party that has integrity, leaders who are open, accommodative, and try to build a consensus across a large community of diverse groups and interests. So the current leadership of NUP, and I think one of the reasons I have joined NUP, is Bobi Wine's failure to reach out to so many people who may be tired of Museveni but are not convinced that the existing opposition offer a better alternative. Bobi Wine and I chat on WhatsApp, but he has never come to my house to say, old man, why don't you join us? I wonder why, and that's why they can't lead. You see, to lead, you must look at a problem in its multitudinous complexity. I hope that word is not so difficult. In its multifaceted form. Museveni is a complex person, and Uganda is a complex society. There are many things Museveni has done right. There are many things Museveni has done wrong. We should appreciate the right and criticize the wrong. If you appreciate the right, they say he has bought you. And I think that's very primitive, backward politics. In fact, the politics that Museveni has bribed people is self-destructive to the opposition. The opposition, therefore, use it as an excuse, and they don't see their own internal weaknesses and intolerance that is driving many otherwise good leaders from the opposition either into apathy, into becoming independents, or back into Museveni's hands. A person like Beth Kamya, Museveni never bought her. She was just away by FDC. Abdul Katunta has left FDC, is running as an independent. Morris Ogenga Latigo used to be leader of the opposition. Ronald Reagan Okumu, Winnie Kiza. I mean, the list is endless. The opposition in Uganda are suffering from atrophy every day. And this atrophy is because a loud but small section of the opposition keeps accusing everybody who doesn't agree with them of being M7 mole, of being bribed by M7, of eating in order to discredit you. And this is the politics of Joel Senyonyi. In fact, immediately I take over the leadership of NUP, the first person I'm going to fire is Senyonyi from being a spokesperson. We don't need people like Senyonyi. Or if I don't fire him, I will invite him to my house here. He sits with me, we speak, and I explain to him why he needs to change his ways. In fact, when he sits in a debate, all he can do rather than explain what the ideas of NUP are, what its values are, what its agenda is, you know what he does? He attacks individuals. Mwenda has been bribed from Museveni. Mwenda is a pseudo intellectual. He indulges in a litany of insults and abuses, and he thinks that is politics. That is politics, yes, but it's backward politics, it's primitive politics, it's dysfunctional politics, it's unproductive politics. We must build a politics of unity.
A candidate that expressed interest in running for president with a National Unity Platform nomination. I'm still excited that so far I'm the only candidate. That means ever since I expressed interest, other possible candidates freaked out. When it was mentioned, I started counting, and I know that in the next 2 hours I will be unopposed. But even if anybody comes to oppose me, I know I will win them in any election in the National Unity Platform, and yes, in the country. I look forward to being the unopposed candidate of the National Unity Platform. I want to salute my friends and my colleagues. Nubian, thank you very much for nominating me. That shows that my closest friend has the deepest trust in me. I want to salute you, Honorable Mpuga, and all the other colleagues, Daniel Uriot, Nusifa Nakato, and my good friend Eddie Mutwe. Sorry, Eddie Sevofu. Thank you very much. I will not disappoint you guys. And should I end up being the unopposed candidate, I will not disappoint the National Unity Platform. I thank you for God and my country.
Fully qualified to run as the president for this country. We hereby fully nominate you as in a position as a member of our entire public that you are so far the only candidate who has picked and returned the papers for this position. Olunaku olwaleero tugambe eggwanga lyonna tumaze okugenda mu mpapula za Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu ne tusanga nga atuukiriza amateeka gonna ge twayagala, era olunaku lwaleero tumutongoza nga yagenda otukwatira flag bearer kaadi yaffe ku kibiina ekya NUP. Ye candidate yekka avuddeyo n'alaga nti ayagala era yasoose okuleeta empapula. Olunaku olwaleero wetukulozinga era we zinaatuuka ssaawa 11 nga tewali muntu yenna aleese, ffe nga tugamba aze ng'ali anopu.